how to do. So my friend Brajesh will tell me. Okay, Brajesh, you will start.
Okay. First,
बोलते भी रहना है कि हाँ ऐसे ऐसे क्लिक करना है.
okay.
First you have to click on this ऐसे वाला.
First, we open the product. Here we got a skin form. ये बोलने पड़ेगा क्या क्या
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. We have created a point and then we created a access system on that. So whenever you are doing power copy, just make sure you just create your axis and point, because on the basis of axis and point you will create na power copy. तो ये कट कर लेना. चलो मैं ही कर दूंगा कट के.
किससे हो जाएगा एडिटिंग?
हाँ हो जाएगा.
फिर
सॉफ्टवेयर में डालो.
फिर एक चैनल शुरू करेगा YouTube.
कर सकते हैं.
Now we are going to
Power copy.
this
First
this feature. It is called screw boss. Okay. Firstly, we should insert
knowledge template power copy. Okay. Then
should select which item should we copy. Okay, we have part body and screw boss.
Yeah.
Here our screw boss, we should select screw boss.
Okay. So there are multiple components have been open.
Yes.
So how will I decide what should I give to the power copy, and what not to give?
Here we have two windows.
Okay.
One selected component.
One other is input of components.
Selected components means which part we select. That's
for power copy.
Okay, that's open in first window. What are the main points or parents in the system that will open in the second window? Here, come create this. We create this feature on the basis of line and axis system. That's why it's shown like this.
Okay, so it is the backbone of this part body. So we have made it the part on the basis of the line, working axis origin, and working axis system XY plane. So okay, so these are the input for the the part body.
Input of the components.
Okay.
If we don't want some items from this,
Okay.
we can double click on it.
Okay, if we click on double click, then it will automatically get removed.
Yes, it automatically get removed, and it's shown.
And other remaining will show.
Yeah.
Line and origin.
So after the power copy, it asks for line and origin. If we should select the axis,
it will come back again. Yeah. Okay.
And in the time of power copy,
so you just click on line only. Yeah. Okay. No, you did not click on line.
Single click.
Okay. If I click on any that plane that I don't want to go in power copy, so I should click on that. It will come out from the input of component.
Yes, of course. Now we are going to copy this part on the skin form.
So now you have to okay.
Okay, just okay.
These planes should be go.
Yeah.
With power copy. Plane, origin, and line. Yes. Okay.
Okay. Now we open the second window product. Now we go to the insert from selection.
Insert from selection.
Now we open the first window part. Then power copy.
Select this first.
Yeah, power copy 1.
Okay.
Then there is a window open
pop-up. So whatever we have given the inputs, working axis system and line and working axis system origin. So they will show me. Yeah. Okay. And previously I have created a plane, point and axis system. Yes. So now you will assign with that. Yes. Okay.
It's asking for working axis system XY plane.
Okay. So I have to select or not?
You have to select XY plane.
Okay.
In the axis.
Axis and Y.
is the XY
You have selected XY plane.
plane. Then
So as I selected, it will show me that I have selected.
yes, yes.
Okay, and green arrow will pop up.
Yeah, yeah.
In axis system.
Yes, yes. The
Now
meaning of green arrow is what is the direction of that part. If you want downward direction, you can you
arrow. Okay, in which direction I want the power copy?
yes. Yeah, yeah.
So
If
next is line.
if you want the fixation under this part, you can click the down arrow. Okay, then it is asking for the line.
So you have selected Z axis as
line.
Next is working axis is to be origin.
Origin is the origin point.
Point we have created in skin form.
Yeah.
Now I have selected all three inputs that I have given in power copy, and now I have selected all those three inputs and assigned with the skin form exercise.
Yes.
Point, line, and axis. Okay.
Now you can preview that. Is it okay or not?
Now I can see the part has been come.
Yes, yes. Now okay. So it is in air. You can see
Because the point we have taken far from the skin form.
So with the help of this plane, you can reduce the height.
Oh, I can adjust the height of it. Okay.
Now it is on the skin form or plastic part. We can adjust which height you want. We can adjust that. That's why.
So as per the client, if given the master section, so I can measure the height and adjust in this plane also.
Yeah, yeah. After that, you can union trim with this surface.
Oh, yeah. We can apply Boolean operation.
Yeah.
Part will get removed, and the upper part will be rest.
Yes. Yeah.
So that's how power copy is done.
Yes.
Now you can see the part has been manufactured. Sorry, we have designed the part, and now it's ready for the manufacturing.
You can also power copy multiple places there.
How? Tell me. How can I?
You didn't know that?
No, I don't know about it.
Okay, you can. If you want
more parts, same like this. So how I can?
You should also follow the steps.
Oh my God.
Create
I missed something.
Yeah.
You just want to say, I missed something.
Yeah. What
so
you
can you do again?
Yeah. Now you can do.
Okay, you are doing undo.
Yes. So I want this screw boss
to move and make pattern, or you just want to create more power copies for screw boss.
Yes. So what are the elements should be what?
Some points
Yes.
where I want to position the screw boss.
Yes. And
Axis system.
Yes.
So these are the common inputs for the power copy.
Now you learned how power
Yes.
works.
So thanks, Brajesh.
Yeah.
Thanks for letting me and teaching me how power copy is done. So my friends, my YouTube friends, if you have any query, you can ask and just write comment in below. We both can help you. And thanks. Share your with your friend and like, subscribe, and just make it spread in our community. Mechanical design or CATIA design, wherever you want to spread, just spread it and spread like very high, so that everyone can see and everyone can learn, because our motto is to learn more and more. So okay, we will meet you next time. Thank you. See you later.